Hello, welcome back to the stream. We are live trading gold and US30 today during New York session. So if you're struggling with prop firm challenger or trying to secure an account, this is the session for you. We are gonna dive deep into technical analysis, mapping up high probability supply demand zone and using price action strategy that actually works for future and forex. But remember, the charts are only half the battle, okay? We are mastering the trading mindset and risk management to stay profitable. So come on in. Come on in, guys. It took me. I had some little problems setting up this. Hey, if you're watching, say hello. If you're not watching, you're missing out. I don't know what was going on with my YouTube. It didn't. Okay, so I'm still waiting for somebody to come and join me. I see the US30 is going up. Why form a trend line? Okay. The screen, guys. I have here the US 30. You can see uptrend. Beautiful. I'm waiting to retest this line and see maybe where it's going. I have here down here an indicator that I discovered yesterday and I want to test it out. So if you're watching, please say hello. If you're not watching, you're missing out. Let's see what the gold is doing. Okay, so gold might want to approach the EMA. You can see the EMA acts as a support. So we'll see. What's going on, man? Okay, you back. Thank you for being here. You're watching from USA. Okay. Did you watch me before? What are you trading? Oh, you saw my Instagram. You trade NQ. You want to look at the NQ? Here we go. The price touched the trend line. The only problem I have is I have this area here. Let me put it on 5 minutes. The US 30, I have this area right here. The price did reject the trend line, but is around this area, which is a little dangerous. So I want to go in, but this area is dangerous, so I'm gonna stay a little bit away. Or you trade on a market open, and how it went. Let's see, NQ. You went in a short, you catch this short. Look at this. Oh, look, it looks like this indicator actually called this short. Okay, NQ, NQ, NQ. You think it's gonna continue going down? Maybe if it's gonna break this here, you can take another short. Let's open the gold chart. Here we go, the gold chart. This is the gold. I'm waiting for to come back to the EMA. You can see it touch here the EMA. It acts as a support. So I see how it reacts when it came back to EMA. But I also have here this area. So if it comes back to EMA or this area, you can go in a long. maybe it's gonna continuing. At least till this green line here that I put from yesterday. Let me make it white. This was my trade from yesterday, right here. So the price is around the same as yesterday, but let's just wait. Sugar, let's just wait so can come back to the EMA. Gold and NQ. A lot of people trade NQ. I'm curious if there's anybody here that trades US 30. Here we go, NQ. Here we go. Obsessed. So if you watch my video with the strategy, here we go, I put on 5 minutes before the market opened, right? So ignore this candle. You see the price was consolidating. So you make some yeah, micro and mini NQ. So you're trading yes, it's the same. Nasdaq. You're trading futures. And you can see this. This is the area, right? That the price was on 5 minutes, the price was consolidating around this area before the open. And then if you go to 1 minute, you see the price broke this area. It did not give me a retest, so I would probably not take the short either. It did broke. For me to take this short, I will need the price to come back to this area and rejected it, but it just went straight down. Of course, your own strategy is great. You have to use your own strategy. That's your edge. This is gold right now. Let's put an alarm of gold when it touches the EMA. EMA, okay, create. So when the gold gets to the EMA, I'll have an alarm, so watch it. Now let's go to the US 30. Exactly what I said. I wanted to go in here because I see it rejected the trend line, but this gold already got in. No, why did it? What the alarm? Whatever. Exactly what I said, you see. I wanted to go along here, but this is a dangerous area and the price did react around this area. So I will be touching my stop loss. So good that I didn't take it. Sugar, can I ask you what's your strategy? Do you use indicators or support resistance, simple? What's your strategy about? In simple terms, I don't want you to sell me to take me your strategy. If you want to take a short here, wait to retest the trend line and go in a short for the US 30. Okay, good. For the gold here, it doesn't want to touch yet. Not yet. Not yet. Using EMA. Create. I create it now. So no trade for me on the gold. Hello, Navaraj. Hello. You guys please like. NQ, what is NQ doing? He's dancing around the EMA. Those are the best strategies. I'm just making some areas on NQ. Yeah, so this is a demand supply, sorry. This is a supply. This right here. New York session, gold buy entry target. Let me see what you're saying here. Gold for 429. So around this area. If it gets back to this area. Here. Yeah, it can be. If it gets down to this area. But first I'm watching to get down to this area for me. And see how it reacts to the first area. This. And take a buy. ICT somehow is a trap. Big player, no ICT, SMC, and all retail trader mindset and all strategy. Man, ICT, price action. I think it's very similar ICT with price action. No? This ICT, somebody invented it. It's that guy that invented it. I think, if I'm not. I'm using the EMA 50. I mean, if you find something that works for you, it doesn't matter how it's called. ICT, ABC, it doesn't matter. You can call it however you want. If it works for you, do it. For me, works the basic supply, demand, resistance, support, trend line, and the simple EMA for the confirmation and EMA rejection. Sometimes I'm looking how the EMA reacted previously. And I did find this indicator yesterday, guys. This one is called DIY. Somebody from the chat showed it to me. And it did work pretty good by now. I'm still testing it, but that's why I put it here on the chart, because I'm testing in it. What do you guys believe in about boots? I mean, the big institution, the big guys, the big banks, they just use basics, 100%. Maybe an RSI and a EMA. They don't complicate so much. Yeah, exactly. Just trade your thing. Don't. If it works for you and you can just do yours. But don't forget, guys, tell me where you're watching from. And how did you find me on Instagram or you find me on YouTube here? I'm originally from Romania, guys, but I live in Miami. But born and raised in Romania. I'm thinking if it cross below the EMA, I might go in a short. Oh, do you think the gold want to form an M? And it's gonna cross below the EMA, retest it from below, and go in a short? Hmm? You think that's possible? Let me go to all. Here we go. NQ. I feel like I want to go short in an NQ. But it formed higher highs. Yeah, that's what I feel like I want to go in a short and watch this area right here. See how it's gonna react around here. Hmm. You can send me your screenshot on Instagram. If you want. But you know, for my strategy, I need like when it does things like that, I need a confirmation. It's either go back to EMA and retest it from below, because I will be in a short if this will be a rejection of the EMA. But the price went above the EMA on many candles, so I can't consider this a rejection of a EMA on an NQ. It did break this structure. Break of structure. But again, for me, I need a confirmation. I need a retest. I need something like that. Um, my main strategy is also, yes, the EMA. So, for example, here I have a support area from before. I show you how I marked it, right? Here we go. Even right, oh, put it back here. Even right here, it became a support. Price retested it here and went down. So this, let me put it with blue, is a support. The price rejected it, reject this area. So usually you can go a short, but for me to go in a position, I need the price to be below or above the EMA. So if I go in a short, the price needs to be below the EMA. If I go in a long, the price needs to be above EMA. And I also look for EMA rejections. If it breaks a structure, if the price break a structure, I need the break and I need the retest and the price to be below or above EMA. Same with the trend line. It did break the trend line. I need a retest of the trend line and the price below the EMA. You understand? So if it's a break, I need a break, retest, price below or above. If it's just a retest of a support or resistance, I need the retest and the price above or below. And if it's a trend, like a trend and I don't have nothing on my way, I will look for the EMA rejections. Yeah, I use the EMA just as a confirmation. I just try to avoid the fake. It's just a confirmation for me. Because look, for example, I will go here, right? Without the EMA, I will probably go in a short here. And I usually go for 1 to 2. So I put the stop above the zone and I want a 2. It did, I don't know if it's gonna give me a 2. It's bumbling too much. But once it crossed the EMA, I'm more sure the trend is gonna continue. Oh, 100%. The psychology is the 90%. 90%. Immediate after EMA break or after rejection? Depends. If it's a strong, right here, right? This is a rejection of the support. I will take it after the EMA break, but a break is a full bullish candle below, not just a wick or a little or a close. I need a open and close bearish below. If it rejects a strong area. Look right here, for example, it didn't reject no area that I marked yet, but I saw the EMA acted previously as a support, so I'm waiting for a EMA to give me a nice rejection. And what I consider a nice rejection is once the first candle, like for example right here, the candle that touched the EMA, I marked the high of the EMA, the candle. So the first candle that touched the EMA, I marked the high. And if in the next maximum 4 candles it did break this high, I consider it a rejection, a nice rejection. Lower, if it breaks it in the next candle, the rejection is stronger. And this is a strong rejection, you see? It's after 1, 2, 3, it breaks in the third one. But all are green, so it's another here, for example. It is a strong rejection too. 1, 2. This, it gives me 1, 2, 3, the fourth one break. It's still a rejection. Let me look one that's not a rejection. This is not a rejection. I don't consider this a rejection. Even though it ended up going. But I personally don't say this is a beautiful rejection. You see, the next candle break the low of this. Let me see until you see. You wanted to go short, you see? It did not. And now it gives me the rejection from below. Let me see. Didn't you give me the rejection from below? Not really, because it's 1, 2, 3. Now, if this candle break below, I consider it a rejection. If not, I just consider it dancing around. Probably it's gonna keep dancing around like here. The stop loss. If it's oh sorry. If it's a area of support resistance, I put the stop loss above or below the area and take profit too. I always go for take profit too. Also, if it break and retest, same above the area. If I go on an EMA rejection, let me look. This is overnight. I go for, here we go. Let's consider this EMA rejection because I like, you see how beautiful it just such it. I will go same. After it break here, the price just above, a little bit above the EMA and take profit soon. This is not a rejection already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not a rejection for me. I don't consider this a rejection. This also, I don't consider a rejection. This I consider, as you see, this was a break and retest. It did break the area and retested it. Price below the EMA. So I will take this like this. And I think that's the trade that I took yesterday. No, I was already out. 1 to 2. I'll put the stop loss above. Let's see what's going on live. Here we go, the price rejected again this area. So now I really need the price to be below the EMA to take. A short. Let's see. NQ. Gold. You see, it's having some trouble to keep going up. NQ. Okay, I can consider this a break and retest of this area. A break, retested, price below EMA. I can go in a short. But I have a feeling it's in a consolidation still. This week right here. If price did not break EMA and take support on EMA, then we will go for long. Yes. If EMA acts as a support, yeah. But again, you need to. When I go as a support, I need the EMA to have a certain rejection. Like if it's too many things bubbling around, this is not a EMA rejection for me. Maybe it will work, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like a lot of candles above. Same here. I can't consider it a rejection. For the EMA, I mean, when you just look at the rejection, you look how the EMA acted before. If it acted as a support, that's one confirmation. Two, you have a trend line. You see how is the trend. That's another confirmation. And yeah, go 1 to 2. But watch it in the meantime, You always watch it. But it's very important to see how the EMA reacted it before. If it did not, and also how strong the rejection is. If it's formed by 1 or 2 candle, yeah, it's a good rejection. It's a higher chance. Okay, this is NQ. This is US30. Sashin. I'm waiting for the price to go below EMA to get a short. But I don't know. We'll see. And I'm waiting for the gold to touch EMA. See how it reacts. Okay, the ideal trade will be also to break this here. It's going up, yes. It did went up. It break the trend though. It break the trend. It got to an area of support and you can see the price is bubbling around. So now it's indecisive. If for me to go up, I need to break this area. I need a break of this area for a long. So if I want a long, I need a break of this area and I'll go for it too. Break and retest. For a short, I need the price to go below EMA and this white line because it's also an area here, you can see. It's very close to the entry. I'm not saying it's gonna happen. I'm not in a short yet, Sachin. This is potential. What am I waiting for? potential entries. We'll see. Gold is going up. Gold, I don't know what gold wants to do. Patience. You are on US on a long? When did you enter? When did you enter your long? Well, gold crossing, it says. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this is the first candle that touched the EMA. I'm waiting for this candle to close, mark the high, and if the price breaks that, I can go for a short scalp, a scalp. For 9137. Also here where you saw this rejection here, you went up long. Here. So you saw this, you went in a long. Yeah, put your stop loss below this and see. But this was a good entry. It was a rejection of a previous, what did I mark here? Oh, I just marked this. So it was a rejection, but this area right here is stronger. But here we go. I have an EMA rejection right here. So you might be good for long. But again, I need, this is an area that I need to break this area. I need the price to break this area because I'm too close to it. If I want to take a long here, I'm too close to here. I'm not confident. But if you are confident, go. Don't listen to me. Do it. Oh, here we go, gold. One, two. Let's see. I already kind of miss it. I missed the gold entry. Yes, always entry on 1 minute. Look, US30. It gives you a nice EMA rejection. Look at this. Look at this. I'm very conservative when it comes to trading. Hey Tiger, what's poppin'? What's going on? It's breaking the area. This was a good trade. Who took the rejection was great. Sahim, what is your take profit? He says searching for the next victim. Who's your next victim? Or you didn't find it yet? The next victim. That's funny. That is funny, funny, funny. Aussie dollar. Yeah, Tiger. I don't know why this live doesn't just pop up. I don't. I'm trying to do everything correct, but I'm still not visible. Let's see, do the gold. What's going on with the gold? Oh, it's still. I almost touched my entry. Didn't want to. Oh, but here we go, guys. This was my entry to the gold. I miss it. I touched it, but it didn't fill up. But if you saw it, here we go. Enjoy it. I can't just press buy now because the trade is already 17.5%. I hate when it doesn't get me in, you know. $21.51. Your stop or your take profit. Ah, so you got your take profit. Oh no, 21, 20. Yeah, you got it. So 151. Because you got 22. 222. Good job. Good job, Sahim. You did a great job. Yeah, the gold got me the rejection of the EMA. Let's see. Yeah, like where the take profit is. I put the take profit 6 Su. Yeah. Yeah, around here. It will have a rejection. Let's mark it. But the take profit should be before that, so. If. Oh, my stomach hurts. Might probably get me in a trade now. Let's see. Might get me in a trade and go down. That would be funny. Not funny, but funny. For whatever reason doesn't fill me in. Why? What's going on? I want to buy. Come on. Hello. Here we go now. How are you? How is your day going, Harpala? You trading today? You got profit on yesterday trade, so what about today? What you trading today? Yeah, I know. You got profit on stop loss. Same here. We were just a little bit below the full take profit. A little bit. Let's see what NQ is doing. Gold, I'm in gold right now. We'll see. NQ is still rejecting this area right here. I don't like it. I don't know what he wants to do. I don't like it, so I'll just stay away. Gold, I hope is gonna go up as per my. And Dow, again, this area, US30. Are you in a trade now? Or you buy? Oh God. You buy at 49186. Oh, you buy here? Because you saw the break of this? Good morning, Marianne. I mean, good afternoon for you. I don't know if you're back here. We'll see. Hopefully, it's gonna go your way. But this area is dangerous. That's why I mark it with blue. 4-9. Oh, so here. That's not bad. It's great. This 4-9-1-1 here. Okay, so just below this. That's not bad. It's a good stop loss. But for me to go long here, I need to break this blue area. I really need. And retest it. If not, I'm looking for sale. Marianne, how is your trading going? What is the Euro USD did to you today? Hmm? Nothing? You didn't trade? Or here you go. It's again around the EMA. Another rejection or no? You're still in a safe zone, Harpal. You're still in this zone. This is still safe. So here we go. Because this is your stop loss, right? And here. You're still safe. I don't know if the gold wants to work. If the gold wants to work for me. We'll see. No, gold is might touch my stop loss. Goodbye, gold. Goodbye, my friend. For you, not gold. Man, gold is still new for me, but I'm learning it. Slowly, slowly. Taking some losses on it, but it's fine. No problemo. Poof. That's it. No problem. Now should I say, oh, I should have known better, I should have known. No problem, we're moving on. We're moving on, our dear US30. And then I know. An entry on US30. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm looking for. I personally looking for a short. Or a long if it breaks this blue and retest it is a long, but as it stands right now, I'm looking for a short. We'll see. I mean, I don't know what I'm looking for. I don't want to say, oh, it's gonna go short. No, Harpal, you are in a trade. You are still good. If it breaks this, I'm looking for a short. If it breaks this, I'm looking for a long. Hopefully, I'm gonna have the entry by. It's such your take profit, right, Sashit? Sashin, it's such your profit or no? Yet. Oh, my battery is going low, guys. It's gonna turn off. Here we go. Oh, jeez, I'm sorry. I don't want to be. Alpesh, hello. How you doing? Oh, I am good. I'm waiting to trade. I'm waiting for the US30 to do something. It did a beautiful, beautiful trade this morning. Look at this. Poof. Oh, sorry. It was nice this morning. My dear, my set safe for buying. That's good. Ah, you went long on gold? Guess what? Look at this. You see where was my stop loss? Exactly when it start going the reverse, it's such my stop loss. I don't know if I should go again. Let's see. No, you know what? I'm leaving that. It's set for buying. Okay, so I'm waiting for the buy. I'm waiting to break this. That's my buy. If it doesn't break that, I don't jump. Harpal, what's you said your set say buy. What do you use? What does it say buy? Oh wow, why I'm just so 9 EMA and ST. What's ST? Send me a screenshot on Instagram. Super trend. So the super trend is green. This super trend? What settings you use on super trend? Tiger, how is your buy? Man, I feel like, you know what? I feel so like I want to go revenge because it touched my stop loss like by a pip. So annoying. So annoying. Here we go. It breaks. It closed to a 2-hour supply zone, so I'm moving my stop loss to lock in some gains. Okay. Nothing. Good evening, Scotty. How are you? How you doing? Your imagination. I need you to use your imagination. Yeah, Luca, thank you. Ugly, ugly, ugly. No, I'm not even gonna look. It's cold and rainy. Oh, you know the song Alpesh? Yeah, I love it. See, everybody makes mistakes, says the song. Let's rewind. We'll be fine. That's what the song says. Close your eyes. We'll be fine. There is no need to worry. You see, I don't know. Look at this. It still rejected this blue area. Yeah, I'm listening music. In my ears is music, so I will put it here on YouTube, but I can't. I don't have the rights or whatever you call those. Oh, I don't have a favorite singer. I usually have a favorite song at a certain time. So I'm listening to this song. That's my favorite song for this month, for example, or I just have favorite songs. Now my favorite song is that I listen uh is called Malik. It's like a it's Malik Escena. I don't even know what language is this, but it sounds so good. Escena Mano. I don't know. It's a remix. Escena Mano. Kalik. If you guys want to listen something on a background. I think it's an Arab song or something. But it sounds very nice. Oh, let me check. Let me check your message. Oh, yes, you can send me now. I accept your message. Oh, you're trading with these candles. Interesting. Your chart also look very, very clean. You trade with the bars. Nice. What minute? What? How many? What minutes is? 5 minutes or 1 minute? What is this? Come on, it still doesn't want to break the area. Remember, to break the area for me is a full candle above that area. And let's see, where does he want to go after that? Let me delete this from yesterday. Probably here, next area to watch. And here, let me delete this. I'm gonna delete this. This is a strong area, so I'll mark it with blue. Let's get back. What is your take profit? That's why I like to do live trading, because I can learn a lot from you guys. Because I'm not, I don't consider myself a super expert. No. No, what is your take profit? Where did you set it? For how long do you trade? I don't know if I'm more expert than you or not. I just read the charts my way. Here we go. It's about to break this. Okay. The area is officially broken. Do we waiting for a retest or we just go? I really want to retest. I'm waiting for the retest. Let's wait for the retest. Oh, you want to take the profit according me? I'm not in a trade yet. I miss a lot of opportunities. Now I feel like I missed so many opportunity. Whatever. Because of this area that I marked. Here, the gold, look at this. It's going. We're waiting. Okay, so the gold, it went up later on, but it did went up. Now I'm waiting for the retest of here and I go in a long. Hopefully I didn't miss all day today because I was panicked, or how you call that, too conservative. Sometimes too conservative is not good either, but it is what it is. Let's go for the retest. Here we go. The retest might come, guys. Oh, it's aggressive though. It might not be a retest and it be a fake breakout. You know, at this point, Harpala, you can move your stop loss below the EMA. So you take some profit. In gold, I take stop loss. Me too. I took the stop loss because it hit it, you see, right here. But maybe I should work a little bit on my stop loss. Here we go. You say I accept it. You said you say I accept. Let's wait. Where are you guys watching from? Answer to me, because I see some of you watching, but I want to know where from. Vietnam. Yeah, I know, Scotty, you're from Vietnam. I know. Here we go. I might have my rejection. Let's see. I need to break this, the candle from the rejection. Florida? Cosmics? Feel. What's feel? I know you're watching from India. Florida? We're from Florida. I'm from Miami. Cosmics, I don't know what SW is. SW. Okay, I'm going in with 5. No, 2, 3, $250. Let's see, it opens. Southwest. Okay, the other coast. So you are from Florida. Here we go, guys. Let's go. Hopefully. Oh, jeez, no, I need to get in my cash. I did enter for the buy, yes. Hopefully I entered good. I entered for the buy here at the retest of this area. And now we watch how it goes. Yeah. I always take Tiger. I always take my my US30 trades. I always take it on my cash account too. Mm-hmm. But Harpal, you got way better entry than me. You weren't afraid. You got where? Right here. No? Oh no, right here. 3 something here. You got your 2. Me, I just got the rejection of this area. Hopefully, the buyer didn't get tired. If the buyers got tired, my take profit is at 49420. But watch this area right here. I will probably trail it. I'm in 49265. That's your take profit 65. Four nine 265. Oh, okay. here. Yeah, very similar with me. Four nine four five one. Okay. But first, let's hope it's gonna go our way, guys. Let's hope. Not hope. Let's see. But yeah, that's the trade of the day. It follow my rules. I do like this strategy when the price is consolidating overnight. Like this strategy works break and retest when the price is consolidating overnight. This is also a break and retest, but is an uptrend. So sometimes buyer can get tired. So that's why you want to watch it carefully. Sahin, where did you put your stop loss? Ella es un escándalo. Espectáculo. Ella tiene meta. Okay, what else you guys want to talk about in the meantime? We're waiting for this trade. Es tan sensible, tan discreta. I've been trading for 4 years, but I've been profitable just for like a year. So 3 years of losses and learning. And yes, I'm doing this full time now. Full time. I'm not at the stage where I make thousands and thousands a day, but you know, a living. How long do you recommend paper trading for? For me, I just did it a few months, paper trading. But as long as you feel when you feel you're ready. But just to know, it's a different beast. Paper trading and real account, different beast. Different. Because you know one thing that paper trading don't teach you, which is very important in trading, is psychology. Like the feeling of when you lose, you don't feel that fully. So when you go to real money and you actually feel that, it's gonna be a little hard to manage it, you know. But how I said, it's a learning curve, and I think if you are one of those traders that don't lose so much money, you are blessed. But I think you need to lose in order to actually learn. That's what I think. Because that's what made me be uh, be good, be profitable, and actually follow my strategy, the losses. My plan will be paper trade until I'm confident with using the platform and can recognize my system first. Then I'll start playing with real fire. Yeah, that's a good strategy. As long it's always you have the answers for your question. I cannot. And also, you have to look at what type of person you are as a person. If you are like a really disciplined person and a really focused person, probably it's gonna be easier for you, outside of trading in your real life. I'm talking how you are as a person. If you really like that, it can be easier. But if you are a sensitive person, or you are a little bit emotional, or you know you have some demons behind, we all have some demons, I guess, that will show sooner or later. What you doing? Why did you just drop like that? So, Scotty, are you gonna use prop firms, or you gonna use real money, cash? What's your plan? And one thing that prop firm. Prop firm is the where you pass a test and then they fund you. Okay, so you're gonna do cash. Okay. You brave. I start with I start with some cash first because I didn't know about prop firms. I start with cash, and of course I lost all. And then I went to the prop firms. I lost some challenges there, many. And then uh and then I become profitable. I got a little bit more. With the prop firms, I was kind of up and down, because I will pass challenges and I will get some payouts, and then I will just crash again. And it will be, I take some payouts, I fail. I take some payouts, I fail. But whatever, I saved some money, and I went back to cash. But now I have both cash and prop. He said, trade meme coins, you will get humbled quickly on loss. Yeah, here we go. The price is around EMA, guys. But you are at the beginning, Scotty. Do not, like, when you find your strategy and your edge, don't change it, no matter how hard you think it is, or no matter you think, oh, is my strategy, or is this, or is that. Don't change it. Stick with one strategy that you study over time and you see it was consistent. Stick with that, no matter if you're gonna stick with one strategy. Because I did switch strategies many times and it did not help me. You think it's gonna react here on EMA, guys? Let's see. It reacted, so good. Good, good, good. And for men that are trying to, they just start trading or whatever, really do a self-analysis. See how big is your ego. How big your ego is, because if it's big, you need to work on that before you lose real money. Which props are good? I do work with Wahola Prime right now, and they pretty good. They have like a big team behind, so they legit, and they do pay, because that's one of the tricky things. If they pay the traders, they don't. If some props, they found like little things, oh, you cannot get your payout because whatever invented rules, or so they do pay their traders, and actually they pay it very fast. I think in an hour. You don't have to wait for days. And depends what you trade, futures or Forex. And their rules are pretty decent. I think 8% and 5%. Step 1, 8%. Step 2, 5%. I'm sure they have direct also accounts, but with the direct accounts, if you are, they have a consistency rule that you have to be careful at. But if you're consistent, you can just go directly. And their price is decent too. Running, 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 running. But no, I think that the two-step account, they doesn't have consistency. I think the direct account has consistency. I did use prop firms with consistency rule before, and I didn't find it difficult. I did not. Forex is not allowed in India. Is futures allowed? But how do you trade US30? On what? In India, on what do you trade US30? Because US30 is tradable on Forex side. It's also on futures, YM, but majority they trade it on Forex. At this point, guys, I'm gonna move my stop loss below EMA right now, below this and below EMA. So So it's legal. The prop firms are legal. Okay. You cannot just you cannot just open yourself cash account. Same in America. CFDs is called, where you have a lot of leverage. It's illegal in America too. So the only way you can trade it's with prop firms. I move the stop loss. Who are you working with? Who are you using? What prop firm are you using? Harpal. Oh, funding peeps. Okay, I know. And then you start in XM. I don't know what's XM. 6 challenges. Forex challenges. It's a broke. So you are cash. So you like cash more than don't you feel more stressed when you actually or you risk very little? Because when you actually lose real money, your money. Because with prop, if you lose, I don't know how much, it's $200, you lose $200 on a challenge. But on a cash, you might lose $200 on a single trade. Hello, Harry C. Man King, how are you? You are late. Why are you so late? But if you have the option to use both, I think that's the best. That's the best. Did you trade today? Oh, it's been almost 2 hours that I'm here. But have a plan when you choose prop. And stick with that. Like no matter what, you stick with that plan, Sahim. When you choose, for example, what size account you usually get? Let me just make a short plan like that for a 50,000, and you can adjust it, right? So if you have a 50,000 account, 2 steps, 5,000. Okay, 5,000. The step 1, it's 8%. That's how much? for $40, no? 400 $400. It's $400. You have to make $400 to pass this. And your max loss is also 8%. And your daily, I think, is 5 or 4. Let's put 4, but I think it's 5%. So start like a plan. I risk 1% maximum per trade. You risk 1% to make 2%. So you risk $40 to make $80. No, $50 because it's 5,000. You risk $50 to make $100 a day. And stick with that. You only risk 1%. On Forex side, it's 3%. On Hola, you say? I think it's 5%. Let me check. Anyway, and have a rule. I risk only 1% per trade. And if I have 2 losses a day, you stop. You really stop. You don't go. And in probably 1 week and a half, you should be passing the first step. The lot size should be in US. What do you mean? Yeah, maximum daily is 5%. Maximum daily is 5% and maximum is 8. And profit target is 8 and 5. The lot size, ma'am, this is crypto. This is US30. You probably, then I don't know, but what prop do you use? Well, I'm talking just the Hola Prime now. And I'm talking about the 2 steps. You probably have 1 step, 3%. The lot size, you have to calculate. You know how to calculate that in TradingView? So you want to risk right here. I put here, Sachin, I put this in TradingView, right? Because I think they have a different platform. You click create limit order and you put here how much you want to risk, $50. And then they tell you the size, 0.6 unit. But you have to see what's the lot in the platform. Because if one lot is, how many? If one lot is one US30, you put 0.6, not one lot. So it depends on a position. I need to look and see exactly what's the lot size. Because some lot size are 1, some lot size are 10, some lot sizes are 100. So you divide that by 100. If the lot size is, if the lot size is 10 in that platform. So here for $50, you put here. For $50, to risk $50, you need 0.6. If the lot size is 10, you divide that by 6, so it's 0.06. If it's 100, it's 0.006. If it's 1, it's 0.6. But every position has their own lot size. because the stop loss might be bigger. Some stop losses might be lower. But you have to stick with the rules. No more than 1% risk per trade and no more than 2 losses in a day. No more. If you can deal the 2 losses, you should just, if it's 1 loss a day, just stop. That's it. And no more than 2 winnings a day. You have to have a stop for how much you can win a day. Okay, the price reacted here. And stick with that. But you know, you can even go smaller, 0.5% a trade. You risk 0.5 a trade, and then more you go into profit, you risk 0.1, but no more than 0.1. No more than 1%, sorry. You go 0.5, you make some profit, and then you don't risk more than 1. Make a strategy that works for you. Yeah, but what funded firm you are? I understand funded, but what's the name? You have 3% max, but what's the name of the firm? Because every firm had different rules. Some have 3%, some have 5%, some have... You know what, Sahim? If it would be easier for you, you can just send me your trades on Instagram every day, so I can keep you I can hold you accountable. I'll be like, why did you do that, Sahim? Why did you do that? Why did not follow your rule? And get a journal and write down when you follow your rules. Oh, what I did here. What's your prop firm? Harpal. I'm really curious. What do you use? Which one you use? No, I never use TradeZilla. I have my journals. This is a new one that I just got. I'm gonna start, but that's my journals. I have this. I have another one. So I have a bunch of journals that I write. TradeZilla. No, I did not use. I never heard about it either. Is it like it's free? Ah, the name is Funded Firm. Ah, sorry. I never heard of them, so I don't know. TradeZilla. Interesting. Oh no, you have to pay $24 a month. It's not $24 a month is not, it's not a lot, but I don't want to pay for the journal. I can do it myself. I mean, it is for a subscription. $24 a month is not cheap. What does it give you? I have to look what it gives you. Originally, I am from Romania, but I live in USA, Miami. Daily loss. Oh, okay. I saw the funded firm. Oh my God, this I don't like when. Yeah, I don't know. You have one step, two step. The payout is monthly though. Monthly, bi-weekly, weekly. Did you guys move your stop loss below? Yeah. Then did you ever get a payout from them? Because there was the tricky part. The challenge, everybody's easy at the challenge stage, but the payout. Oh, guys, I'm gonna soon have to go. Oh, okay. But if this trade doesn't go, I'll update you on Instagram what's going on. Start moving very slow. Go up. We all want to go up. We all wanted to go up here. You know, if it breaks this white line here, you can move your stop loss at break even and just let it go and don't risk nothing, you know. Here we go. It wants to break. Yeah, in 10 minutes I'll have to go, guys. Let's see. Go up, 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 up. How up can you go? We want you up, up, up. Let's go. Oh my God. Do we move our stop loss, guys? And I never ask you, what does work better for you? Like quick trades, like scalp trading, fast in and out, or stay more in a trade? What do you like more? Come on. It's too slow. Let's see how it's gonna react around here. So you like to wait? You don't like in and out? Okay, it broke the EMA. Let's see how it's gonna react here, and yeah, might just go out. I'm sorry, guys. So sorry. You think it's gonna hit the stop loss? It's gonna hit. Anyway, the stop loss, I moved it. Remember, guys, I moved the stop loss. The initial was below this area. If you're not confident in a trade anymore, just get out. Get out. It's easier. You should be at break even right now. That's no problem. You're gonna feel better if you get out. And that's okay. Even if it goes your way or not. If you stop having confidence in a trade, just get out. I'm waiting till 12:30 and I'll get out. See what's gonna happen. I'll move at 12:30. I'm gonna move my stop loss below this white line and see what's gonna happen. So I'm just waiting a few more minutes. Buyers still fighting a little bit around this area, you see? Still fighting. So we're still in the game. Okay, so I'm gonna move my stop loss here. At this point, I'm only risking $42. You know, from my initial, I was risking initially 250. So I'm only risking $42 to make 500. So it is what it is. I'm gonna update you on Instagram. And yeah, that's it for today. That's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 10 o'clock. Hopefully we're gonna hit profits like crazy. Hopefully. And yeah, And you guys enjoy the rest of your day too. Here we go. The price that wants to go up. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da. You guys move the stop loss, okay? Move it. This point, move it, break even. Just don't risk nothing. Or just take profit. What, $100 is better than nothing? Take it. Bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.